So this can carry your car. You can see everywhere. You can see your own overhead tank there. You know, the other time I told you this one has its own, this one has its own. You can see how big it is now. So first of all, let's go around so you can see the update very well. You know, I like giving you details. So here is the sockaway. So you have one tank there. You can see everything is connected already. So here you can put maybe a mini garden, or you can just floor here with the green carpet or some part of it and put where you'll be spreading your clothes. You know, have a small sit out here too as well, where you can just chill. So this is the BQ. So this is the kitchen. You can remember the last time the floor was not done, but it's all done right now. You can see the wall. So let's go inside. If you have watched my video before, you have already seen the inside. So the update video is about the floor. Nothing have really changed in the inside, but you see, they are yet to put the doors. The tiles are already there. Let me see if they are done with the toilet fittings. Okay, they're not done, but since they are working on it, so this is the kitchen.